This is Jake Rossman for Digital Trends. You may notice that we are not at the Expo Center anymore. We are actually out at a very nice little house with a nice pool, hanging out with Revl. They're a new sports and action camera. It's 4K, and I'm here with Eric Sanchez, the CEO and founder of Revl. I know there's a lot of competition out in the sports and action camera, but there's some really unique features about the Revl. Why don't you tell me a little bit about what you guys have launched with the Revl camera and what you can do with it?
Absolutely. I think the two biggest pain points that people have with action cameras are the stabilization. When you're out doing sports, you get a lot of shaky video. So that's one of the things we fixed. Our camera has both physical and electronic image stabilization. Make sure that every shot you get is usable and it's a good shot. So the other thing that we have that's better than GoPro is our AI video editing app. One of the biggest pain points is editing video. Many times people don't have time, experience, or the expensive software to edit video. With our camera, you get the software for free. It has both motion and emotion recognition. That means it'll scan through your video. If you take it snowboarding, it'll find your best jumps, backflips, your crashes. And we will also look through the video itself. We'll find your best smiles, the points where you're hugging your friends and doing all the fun things. We can even detect pets, sunsets, beautiful scenery. And we combine it in just the right way to create a compelling video automatically for you every single day.
That's very cool. And so one of the things too, as you're looking at this market, it's priced very well and affordably compared to other action cameras that are out there. So where can consumers go and get the Revl, and how much is it going to set them back?
Yeah, you can get it at www.revl.com. And it's $4.99, but for this week we have it at $3.99.
Special CES special?
Yeah.
Nice. And one of the cool things too that I thought that was very interesting in the app, and it's built into the camera, is that it has some other detections where it can actually track your miles per hour, your G-forces, and then layer that on top of the video footage. So for all of you speed junkies out there driving around in a car, you can take that mile per hour footage from you're getting in the camera and then see how fast you're going around corners and drop that into the video footage, which is really cool. What kind of inspired you to add on those little features?
Sometimes you want to know how high your kite surfing jump is, how long that wave was, what airtime you got, how long you were in the air. And since our camera already has all these sensors on board, we thought, why not just add this fun little feature where you can see your motion telemetry right on the video. So we created these nice little gauges. You can select them right on the app and you can add them to your video.
Great. So again, it's the Revl Sports Action Camera. It's retailing for $4.99. They've got a special CES pricing for $399 if you get within the next week or so. And some of the cool features: 4K, fully waterproof, can be immersed up to 50 meters. What's the depth that can go down to? 40 feet.
Yeah.
So divide that by 3 and you get your meters for depth. And it's available at Revl.com, probably at some other retailers around as well. Go and check it out. Again, it's Jake Rossman for CES. We're out here with Revl, out here at this beautiful countryside estate. Thanks for inviting us. Again, Jake Rossman for Digital Trends. Stay tuned for more coverage from CES.